It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, December the 10th. I'm Michael Groff. Rain coming down across the valley this morning. We've had some isolated heavier showers, even a few rumbles of thunder, and that should stay with us off and on through the day today, maybe a few peaks of sun by this afternoon. As we get to tomorrow, we'll start to dry out, but temperatures should stay below average before we warm it up just a little bit for the weekend and going into next week. But even at that, highs are expected to stay relatively close to average for mid-December. All right, let's get into it first. Yesterday, it was a warm one, 80 degrees the afternoon high, 53 the morning low. We did pick up 1/100th of an inch of rain just before midnight, and we've had a little bit more since, about 5/100ths of an inch officially at Sky Harbor this morning. And we are expecting to see a little bit more. Outside now, here just before 7 o'clock, rain coming down across the valley, some patches of fog as well, sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 50, relative humidity 82%, the wind from the west at 14 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures this morning very uniform thanks to all the clouds and rain. Just about everybody is in the 50s. I see there's a 46 up there on Thompson Peak. And here's the radar right now at 6:57 a.m., and we've got an area of showers and even a few embedded thunderstorms moving across south central Arizona, another band of rain for the eastern part of the state. Here's the upper air look this morning, and yes, that area of low pressure that's been sitting off the Baja coast the last few days is now moving east as an open wave across southern Arizona today, and that should be the focus for the showers and isolated thunderstorms. The watch warning map, a few winter weather advisories over parts of New Mexico and Colorado and scattered about through the western states. Dense fog advisories along the Gulf Coast. Otherwise, not much happening. The convective outlook for today, no severe weather expected. Again, a few rumbles of thunder over southern and southeast Arizona. I think most of the thunderstorm activity from this system generally stays to the southeast of Phoenix, but don't be surprised if you don't hear a clap of thunder. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. This includes the rain that we're getting right now. And amounts here in Phoenix generally at or under 1/4 of an inch. Heavier totals 1/2 inch possible in a few spots across eastern Arizona. So let's take a look at modeling, see what's going on with this system and what the future may hold. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our wave coming through the southwest. That will be the focus for precipitation today. So down at the surface, cloudy sky this morning, showers, isolated thunderstorms around. Will become mostly cloudy by this afternoon. Some sun should poke out from time to time. It is not going to rain all day nonstop. High temperatures should be in the low to middle 60s. Tonight, the rain ends, partly cloudy sky, maybe a few patches of fog after midnight. Overnight lows in the 40s. And then tomorrow, another system passes by, primarily to the north of us. Isolated showers in northern Arizona. Can't rule out a stray shower passing through here. I still have a 10% chance of rain in the forecast for tomorrow. But otherwise, just kind of a cool day. Highs upper 50s and low 60s. Now, as we get to the weekend, the weather looks absolutely perfect. Saturday, partly sunny sky. High temperatures, low to mid 60s. And then after that, we'll warm it up to about the mid and upper 60s for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with just periods of high clouds from time to time being the only real sensible weather. Now here comes Wednesday. A pretty impressive low is moving on to the northern California coast, but this trough is going to stay primarily to the north of us, at least all the moisture and main dynamic support with it. We'll just see partly cloudy sky continue, high temperatures somewhere in the mid and upper 60s. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 17th, a positively tilted trough moving through the western states. And as mentioned, most of the moisture stays north of us, partly to maybe mostly cloudy sky with this, and temperatures should back off a few degrees. I guess there could be some showers across northern Arizona with that. And then going out 10 days. This is Saturday the 19th, a northwest flow, occasional disturbances moving through that to give us periods of clouds, but that's about it, and temperatures pretty close to average. Looking at rainfall off of the European ensemble for the next couple of weeks, most, if not all, of the rain that we'll see falls today. And the ensemble mean here about 1/4 of an inch. That looks pretty good in alignment with the WPC forecast. And temperatures off the national blend of models, highs each day roughly in the 60s to near 70, overnight lows in the 40s. Of course, the cooler valley locations will dip into the 30s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there. Enjoy the rain and have yourselves a spectacular Thursday.